Meghalaya, translated as the abode of clouds, stands as a testament to nature's grandeur in India's northeastern region. Here the clouds weave tales and the hills guard the secrets of a state that holds the essence of natural beauty. The living root bridges of Manipur stand as testament to the harmony between humanity and the pristine beauty of nature. Happy Foundation Day to the beautiful state of Meghalaya. Wishing all the residents of Meghalaya a joyous celebration and a bright future. Now let us listen more about this magical land of Meghalaya from Ms. Basakla Jana.
A very warm and delighted good evening to Honorable Governor of Karnataka, to all the respected guests, and to each and everyone gathered here. My name is Basu Langjana and I am representing here from the state of Meghalaya. So first of all, before a brief and short about my state, I would like to represent you all the dress which I am wearing right now. This is our traditional wear which we often wear during any special occasions. And this yellow cloth we usually call it Jaintia in our Khasi language, and this is paila. Actually, the special traditional one of Jaintia is being made from the pure silk, and the paila is being made from the pure gold and of special stone. So now I'll brief in short about our state, Meghalaya. Meghalaya, the abode of clouds, is a hilly state nested in the northeast of India. It shares an international border with Bangladesh in the south and is bounded to the east, west, and north by Assam, covering an area of 20,429 square kilometers. It is home to the indigenous people comprising of Khasi, Jaintia, and Garo tribes. The Khasi and Jaintia tribes are found in the eastern range of the state. Even though they are being divided into two tribes politically by the British, yet culturally they share a very, very close affinities in terms of language, clan system, customs, and traditional attire. The Khasi tribe are composed of 7 subgroups, namely the Khinyam, Panar, Bhoi, War, Maram, Lingam, and the Diko. The Dikos are said to be assimilated to the Lingams. So, our state Meghalaya attained statehood in 1972 after a series of agitations. In 1970, the state was accorded as an autonomous state, but due to people relentless in the struggle for statehood, hence a full-fledged statehood was accorded in 1972 under the Northeast Reorganization Act. Our state Meghalaya is endowed with beautiful landscapes ranging from an undulating hills. We have one of the best view, that is Geelong Peak, rivers, Omia, which is also known as the Barapani, where we generate electricity for the whole area in our state. We have the beautiful streams, waterfalls, the 2 popular waterfalls located in Cherrapunji side, that is the Nokkalikai Falls and the 7 Sister Falls, Clouds and Gorge. The Mountain Long is dubbed as the cleanest village in Asia, located in the East Khasi Hill district along the southern slope. Saura, the first capital of East India Company, draws the maximum number of tourism. I will sincerely say that most of the tourists who visited our state Meghalaya would usually arise mostly there in Cherrapunji, because most of the beautiful views, the beautiful places are located over there. Sora and Mausaram are always competing for the record of the most highest rainfall area in the world. Our state Meghalaya is also blessed with numerous caves located especially in the Khasi and Jaintia hills. Thank you. Dhanyavadalu.
Thank you, Ms. Basakla Jana, for that wonderful description of the state Meghalaya. Now, the Khasi Students Union, Bengaluru, representing state of Meghalaya, will showcase the essence of this beautiful state that's steeped in history and cultural brilliance through their music and dance. We request Mr. Unidame and team to present this cultural show. The stage is all yours. First, we will be starting with a group song, which is titled Kori by Jongna, which means Oh My Beloved Land. Sorry for the pronunciation. This song is dedicated to the beloved land of Meghalaya. The song says, O my beloved land, let us stand as one in the midst of battles, though I might be far from home. Let's not be a slave of fear. Let's our children not die of hunger. For the sake of the young one, we will leave our enlightened steps behind. O my beloved land, let us strive forward. Presenting this song, Mr. Yonidame and team. To say that many of them speak Kannada and many of them write Kannada too. So, staying in Karnataka, they have learned Kannada and they are part Kannadigas too. So, we are very, very happy and proud of Soulful rendition of the song. Thank you all for that. Now let us move to a solo song by the name Om Tirot Singh Siam. This song is dedicated to the Khasi freedom fighter Om Tirot Singh Siam, who led a battle against the British and brought Meghalaya to freedom. Thank you for that melodious song. Next will be a dance. The state of Meghalaya is well known for rich and unique tribal culture. This dance truly reflects the wide diversity of the Khasi, Jaintia and Garo tribes of Meghalaya. It also shows the deep connection between the people of Meghalaya and Main Ramao, that is Mother Earth. So now let us see the dance which represents the unique tribal culture of Meghalaya. Thank you all. This cultural show representing the state of Meghalaya was presented by Khasi Students Union, Bengaluru. A big round of applause to all these artists.